Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss my new book with title Zero to Mastery: The Complete Guide to Learning SQL Server and Data Science with Python GUI. You can have this book at Amazon with two formats: Kindle edition with price 3.59 pound sterling and paperback 26.98 pound sterling. You can have also this book in Google Play Books. As you can see here. In this project, we provide you with a SQL Server version of an Oracle sample database named OT, which is based on a global fictitious company that sells computer hardware including storage, motherboard, RAM, video card, and CPU. The company maintains the product information such as name, description, standard cost, list price, and product line. It also tracks the inventory information for all products including warehouses where products are available. Because the company operates globally, it has warehouses in various locations around the world. The company records all customer information, including name, address, and website. Each customer has at least one contact person with detailed information, including name, email, and phone. The company also places a credit limit on each customer to limit the amount that customer can owe. Whenever a customer issues a purchase order, a sales order is created in the database with the pending status. When the company ships the order status will becomes shipped. In case the customer cancel an order, the order status became cancelled. In addition to the sales information, the employee data is recorded with same basic information such as name, email, phone, job title, manager, and hire date. In this project, you will write Python script to create every table and insert rows of data into each of them. You will develop GUI with PyQt5 to each table in the database. You will also create GUI to plot cash distribution of order date by year, quarter, month, week, and day. The distribution of amount by year, quarter, month, week, day, and hour. The distribution of bottom top sales by product, top sales by product, bottom top sales by customer, top 10 sales by customer, bottom 10 sales by category, top 10 sales by category, bottom 10 sales by status, top 10 sales by status, bottom 10 sales by customer city, top 10 sales by customer city, bottom 10 sales by customer state, top 10 sales by customer state, average amount by month with mean and EWM, average amount by every month, amount feature over June 2016, amount feature over 2017, and amount payment in all years. Look at this entity relationship diagram of this database. You can see there are 12 tables in this database. Region ID in the countries table is used as a foreign key to bind regions table. Then country ID in location table is used as a foreign key to bind countries table. The logic applies to the rest of the tables. Now we run the GUI main.py. We can see the main form in the program, and user need to log in by giving username and password. If login successful, all buttons are yes, password. Nah. If user click if login successful, all the buttons are enabled in the main form. If user click the warehouse button, the warehouse form will be open. And in this form, user can navigate row by row data in regions, countries, locations, and warehouses tables. In this form, user also can perform utilities, line editing, inserting, and deleting data from each table. In this form, user can also see the case distribution of warehouse city and warehouse country. If user choose click on the product button, product form will be opened. In this form, user can see the content of each table in the table widget. User can also perform editing, inserting, and deleting data from each table. User can also see the case distribution of the top 10 product and top 4 category. If user choose order button, then the order form will be displayed. In this form, user can perform editing, inserting, deleting data from customers, contacts, employees, orders, and order details for tables. In this form, user can also see the statistical visualization of the data in the database. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, you can buy it from Google Books and Amazon. And Horace from North Sumatra.